Now in this video we are going to learn about the most interesting command, that is a uname command. Okay, so basically this command you use to get the information about your machine. Okay, so basically we will use this command to get the information about this Ubuntu machine. So we will basically start with this, and we will use some of the flags, or you can say options, with this uname command to get the host name, to get the kernel, what are the kernel is being used in this particular machine, what is the name of the kernel, and also you will get multiple information like operating system, hardware platform information, machine information, everything you will get to know in this particular video. So let's start with the implementation part. So here uname, if you provide without any option, if you will execute this command, you will just get the like name of the kernel name you will get. Okay, so here you can see, as we already know, like in the installation video we have saw, like the Ubuntu is based on the Linux kernel. So that's why it is showing the Linux. So but before starting the like going deep into the video, I want to just give you the overview of what is a Linux kernel. Okay, so a Linux kernel is basically, you can say, is the core of the operating system. Okay, if there is an operating system, the kernel will be the core of that operating system. Why? Because it creates an interface, you can say, or creates a connection between your hardware and your software. Okay, so basically kernel has all the control of your operating system. If kernel fails, then whole operating system will get failed, you can say like that also. So I hope that is basic information is clear to you, and we will see about kernel release. What is kernel release? So let me tell you about the kernel release. So kernel release is nothing but whenever a new version is released of a kernel, like if there is, suppose version is suppose 5.0.1, you can say like that, then again new version is released, that is 5.0.2. so why this new version and why this new kernel release has been done? Because if there is some vulnerability or any bugs in the first kernel, then that bug will get patched, and then again new release will be done. Okay, new kernel release will be done. Okay, so that is the concept, basically kernel release. So now we will see the kernel release. So for this we basically use the -r option. So here you can see the now currently version, kernel release version of this machine is this 5.15.041 generic. Okay, so in this way you can get the kernel release information. Now moving forward, let me just show you this Linux like kernel name. You can use -s option also to get the kernel name. Okay, so like both will give you the same result, like uname and uname-s. Okay, and now next, moving forward, if you want to get the host name of your computer, like host name is like that name which is used over the network, you can say like that. So if you will do uname-n, then obviously you will get the host name. As in my case, this is Ayush VirtualBox is the host name. And again, next, if you want to get information about your machine, about your processor, then you can use -m for your machine, uname-m for your machine. So like it is 64-bit, you can say, you can see here it is. And next, if you want to get information about your processor, then it's also easily you can get using -p option. So same information is being displayed here, like it is the basically the architecture. Okay, so now next, moving forward, if you want to get hardware platform, all those things, you will get the same, I think. Yeah, hardware platform is the same, 64-bit. And to get the name of the operating system, so obviously it is GNU Linux. So Linux operating system, it is Ubuntu. So now again, there is also one super command, you can say, like super option, that is -a option, which basically gives you all the result of these. Like you don't need to write this all to get if kernel release. You don't need to write -r, -s, -n, anything. You can use a simple command, that is a uname-a. Hit enter, and here you will get the all the above information, like Linux is the kernel name, this is the host name, this is the version, and this is the what you can say, I think this is your version name. It may be, yeah, it should be version name, like #ubuntu smp. Yeah, it's a kernel version name it is, and next is the date of creation or installation, and next is your all the architecture, processor, architecture, everything you can see, and at the last you can see the name of the operating system. So I hope you liked it, guys. That was a very basic tutorial. So that's all for today's video, and if you have any queries then you can ask in the comment section. So thank you for watching, and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you so much.